When I first went to the Netherlands, I was amazed by the number and variety of bicycles that I saw. India, on the other hand, being one of the largest manufacturers of bicycles in the world, has not evolved in terms of bicycle types and services needed to support a cycling culture. In India, small businesses thrive on low-cost cargo transport, and current options are only modified mopeds, scooters and bicycles. Scoo Go is a concept that addresses the need for a niche B2B and B2C cargo transport solution. It is an innovation that is inspired by the highly evolved Dutch cargo-carrying buckfeets and a celebration of the frugal Indian approach to solving design problems. The Indian coconut seller on a bicycle is one such example. Scoo Go is a unique low-cost hybrid cargo carrier that runs on human kick power and an electric hub drive. It has a unique riding position. Unlike in a scooter, here the rider stands astride with feet on footboards on either side of the rear motorized wheel hub. This riding posture also helps the rider to get on and off with ease. The operator can easily switch between its manual kick mode and its electric mode using the thumb throttle switch. This ease allows the rider to move slowly for short delivery runs or more swiftly at speeds of up to 25 km/h for longer runs. The two easily removable 30-litre cargo crates are located in front of the rider and behind the steer wheel. The crate design can vary according to the type of cargo to be carried. It is an ideal solution for quick and efficient cargo delivery for small businesses, airports, factory shop floors, office and institutional campuses, courier services and even home deliveries. Scoo Go's compactness allows for easy maneuvering both outdoors and indoors. You can also take it to different floor levels in elevators. Its 24-volt lithium-ion battery pack is concealed within the chassis frame below the cargo crates. This gives it a low center of gravity. It drives a 250-watt high-torque rear wheel hub motor that can go up to speeds of 25 km/h. Scoo Go has been designed for two chassis variants. The longer wheelbase is ideal to take kids to school and then go shopping or home deliver fresh bakes and other such small business requirements. It can be an ideal low-cost and fast cargo transport solution for small businesses as well as individual and personal cargo transport requirements.